right? It's like if any child or any adult hasn't traveled the world, this movie is showing you the world, the animal kingdom, adventure, and some crazy ass visuals. I want to firstly ask the producer of the film.
What? We cannot play that producer card.
Excuse
We're
me.
not playing that producer
Produced
card.
by Anurag Basu,
Absolute
Ranbir Kapoor और
nonsense.
Disney. तो I think मैं I'll reverse it to 3.5 years back जब दादा मेरे पास आए थे तो एक आइडिया था उनके पास we need to keep quiet here.
Can we have some more people inside? Like another 150 people?
Why are there so many people in here?
Yeah, can I please request people who are not doing anything as part of this to just go out? If that's possible for you.
अब प्लीज बाहर चलेंगे.
One second.
Just kidding, people. Yeah.
But then पूरा इंटरव्यू में रहेंगे. He's just taking pictures, but he'll be.
Do we have to take pictures now?
It's done, right? Can we do it
Yeah.
later?
So no pictures now, na? Please can we take pictures? Everyone out, please. Then finish the interview. Come, na? Please. Come. Nobody's moving. Come. Thank you. Come.
Yeah. Oh, we got amazing coffee.
Oh, do you?
Oh, then me too.
Black coffee?
Radio Mirchi gives a angle banana for also just
अब चलो बाहर चलो.
just
बाद में picture.
sliding that.
And you eat it?
Of course, all the time. It's the only thing I look forward to go to Radio Mirchi.
यार देख के तो लगता नहीं है कि आप लोग खाते हो. बिरयानी and with can we guys.
No black coffee, water.
No, thank you, Baba. Just black coffee. If I can.
No black coffee. Just tell me later.
Without sugar, right?
You have sugar? You have sugar?
No sugar.
Okay, no sugar for me also.
That's the way I make it. All right.
Okay.
So
तो जो मैं जैसे मैं कह रहा था, okay, silence, everybody silence, please. जैसे मैं कह
बहुत
रहा
इंटरेस्टिंग कहानी सुना रहे थे प्लीज
So, साढ़े तीन साल पहले अनुराग बासु जब दादा मेरे पास आए और उन्होंने हम बात कर रहे थे उस वक्त हम किशोर कुमार के बायोपिक पे काम कर रहे थे तो वी वर जस्ट टॉकिंग
whatever happened to that? उसको हुआ क्या?
बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स थे बहुत सारी फैमिली डिस्प्यूट थी क्या डाल सकते क्या नहीं डाल सकते तो उसकी स्क्रिप्ट बनी नहीं है वी स्टिल वर्किंग ऑन इट आई होप कि एक दिन निखर कर आती है बट कमिंग बैक टू जगह जासूस तो दादा और मैं डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि हमारे हिंदुस्तान में आई डोंट थिंक वी हैव फिल्म्स फॉर चिल्ड्रन जहाँ परिवार अपने बच्चों को थिएटर जाके they can enjoy. They usually go to Hollywood films, Jungle Book, Beauty and the Beast. But if you don't want me to talk, then you continue talking. But you speak.
long answers.
To तीन
RK, I want to know this story. This movie
But she's
looks
not letting me.
gorgeous.
Oh, how new!
आपको तो सब पता है.
No, he's taking off on the fact that I won't speak more than 3 lines in Hindi. That's
And then you keep
really
quiet.
new. That's really new. That's a new one. I've not heard that one before.
So anyways, what I was trying to say is that Dada really wanted to make a film
जी.
that children would enjoy, families would enjoy. So his whole visual treatment of the film is unbelievable. It's something like you've never seen before. एक adventure का feel है, Indiana Jones का feel है, Tintin का feel है. There are animals, there's thrill elements. At the same time, there is a very emotional father-son story. There is a cute relationship between Shruti and Jagga, which becomes they become like partners in crime, and they're together on this mission. के Jagga के जो father है, stepfather टूटी हुई, उनको ढूंढना है, and जिस तरीके से वो ढूंढते हैं, I think is very interesting.
In fact, coming back to my जासूस जो फिल्म के दौरान थे, आप जब वो रोप से टिंटिन की तरह यूं करके आ रहे थे, RK was.
Oh, you just reminded me. I have a very cute video. I'm going to put that today. Thank you for reminding me. Yeah.
और
About the making of that.
ये ज़्यादा डरे थे आपसे.
Yeah. He's a chicken. He was.
Sorry, what?
है vertigo problem है मुझे, and I'm also scared of pigeons, and I'm also scared of.
No, but see the thing that he's not understanding is we are all afraid of heights, but you have to face your fears. You have to face them and be tough about it.
तो कैसे किया करवाया आपने इनसे?
तो बेसिकली कटरीना ने कहा कि आप मेरी आंखों में देखो क्योंकि इन्होंने
Nonsense.
apparently
Nonsense. This happened in his dreams. I never said any
आमिर
such
खान
thing.
को भी इन्होंने कहा था धूम में जब वो ऊपर कहीं जा रहे थे रस्ते पे
this is
तो उन्होंने
some-
कहा आप मेरी आंखों में देखो जब आंखों में देखोगे
This is called imagination.
ऐसा बोला नहीं था I have a video
Imagination.
I'll show you the video
Sure.
okay I'll show it to you I'll show you the video I have a dialogue of you saying it so don't
Hold
lie.
on. ये Instagram पे हैं, ये हमें यहाँ वीडियोस पहुँचाएंगी. आप कैसे
इसके
पहुँचाएंगे?
through here
No, he'll go through the Disney handle. Like, just say he'll go through the Disney handle and put.
Why do you think RK डर रहे हैं इंटरनेट पे आने से? आप तो आ गई.
I
internet
think,
पे आने से।
yeah, the social media. I think what he said that the other day, one of these days, he actually said something which makes sense, and I completely agree with it in one sense, which is that it can cloud your mind and it clouds your
your purpose. It distracts you, I think, a little bit, and that's.
No, I think now after like so many years and been asked this question so many times.
You want to face the mic this way?
No, don't worry. So many times I've understood that I won't be good
This
at
is
it.
what you call bad
Mera-
attitude. This is a bad
He wants to look at
attitude.
you while he's talking. Think about that.
I'm actually not.
There's no need
My
to
eyes
be
are shut.
extra mean. That is already
okay,
there.
one
So
second, let
extra
me
you don't
finish
have to,
talking,
and you don't need to have sunglasses on.
Yeah,
There's no sun in this
Relax,
room.
relax. You're so bright that
Oh.
But my eyes.
At least finish it properly.
Yeah, so let me say, so social media, according to me,
जी.
is something which I don't think I can do well. I feel कि मैं थोड़ा सा introvert हूँ, I'm a little shy, and to really project my life in a fun way in something which an audience can engage, to kind of self-promote myself is not something that I enjoy.
But आप जासूस की तरह इंटरनेट पे लोगों को देखते हो?
Yeah, I'm on Instagram. मैं एक stalker की तरह Instagram में हूँ. मेरा एक account भी है, लेकिन मैंने कभी post किया नहीं है.
But can I also add one thing? He's also lazy. He thinks it's not required for him. No, this is the truth. He's lazy. He thinks it's not required for him. Because let me tell you one thing: social media is also to constantly update. It is a little bit of a task. You have to constantly update. It's something that even if you, it's not the top of
Easy.
your mind. You have to keep on top of it.
So RK
little bit
जासूस
lazy.
इंस्टा पे आप कटरीना को फॉलो कर रहे हैं?
बिल्कुल. I think I was a third or fourth follower.
And you know his name?
Actually,
आपको पता है?
No, I don't.
और बहुत लोग नहीं जानते इसके अकाउंट में जो 2 पोस्ट है, 2 पिक्चर्स है, that's actually been directed by me and I've been instructed
See
कि
that-
ऐसा करेंगे.
कौन सा?
उन्होंने
तौलिया
मुझे-
वाला?
उन्होंने मुझे क्रेडिट भी नहीं दिया.
In the cinema, when I said this picture threw me out.
But हमने बहुत डिस्कशन किया. I think after every post of Katrina, मैं कटरीना को फोन करता था and we used to discuss कि ये क्यों डाला, what was the purpose behind it. So we're taking her Instagram very
It's not a
seriously.
movie. It's not a movie. There's no script and there's no motivations for the posts and for the characters. But also I'll tell you, add another thing there, that he also thinks that he's far better and he would do a far better job than anyone else. So nobody's
I don't know about
Instagram,
anybody else,
nobody's
but I will do a
Instagram.
better job than you.
See? I mean, on the basis of what are you saying? Why is he saying that with so much confidence? Because he'll never prove it. He'll never come on and actually show us, no? It's very easy to say, I can do this better than you, I can be a better this than you and better that than you. Come and do it, no?
That's probably why RK is where he is, because he thinks he's going to get there one day and he keeps doing that in every film. He surprises us. कौन सी film आपने इनकी last देखी? Come on.
One second, let me think.
Did you see Tamasha?
No.
Right?
ए दिल है मुश्किल?
तूने तमाशा क्यों नहीं देखी?
I don't know.
You just didn't like it. You didn't want to see it. What? Okay.
Have some coffee.
Cryptic
Let
messages.
me have some coffee too.
तूने ए दिल मुश्किल देखी है? That's my last release.
No, so I didn't see the whole film
I
because
saw बार
honestly I
बार देखो,
wasn't
I saw
here.
Fitur, I saw every.
Talia, very good.
Isn't that sweet though? I mean,
Award.
But
There's
you know
an
how it is.
award. No, I wasn't here. No, honestly, I wasn't here for Aizan Mushkil, and I would have
So
loved.
how
to
hard
see-
is it to get a DVD and watch it?
He's defying you every
So
film.
I know that's forget him. No, but I would definitely.
वैसे भी you see everything on pirated stuff. You have a box which is all full of pirated things.
This is rubbish. He's speaking about himself. But I thought the songs of Aizan Mushkil were really
Well,
beautiful.
that
and
credit is to
that's-
Pritam. But
Do
I'm
you
talking about
want
the
to
film.
let me talk? Can I get in a word or two?
Sure.
I am loving this. Are you guys always fighting like this?
No, you're not fighting. This is actually
No,
having a
this is-
conversation with
This
each
is a
other.
normal
But
conversation.
also Katrina in.
May I finish my answer?
One second. Katrina has morning verbal diarrhea. So like if you start talking in the morning, she doesn't stop. And there's
Really?
an extra burst of energy right now. that
One
she's
second,
really
one
coming.
second, guys.
Because I
Show
think
of
last time
hands.
जब हमने press conference किया था मैंने कटरीना को बोला तू इतनी quiet क्यों थी? So she's taken that like very badly and she's come
One
with
second,
like
one
lot
second,
of.
guys in the room, show of hands. Since the time we walked into this room, who has spoken more?
I've been asked more than you.
Who has spoken more?
Let me-
Point towards the
Boss,
person.
अगर कोई आपको question पूछेगा तो आप जवाब दोगे ना?
So then
basically,
on
you are
what basis
basically.
are you complaining that
But
I'm talking
basically-
more? You're talking more.
Basically-
Look, on this guy's camera, we're gonna rewind this interview. It's for there.
No,
It's all
basically you want me to answer in like 2 words.
I want you to
Keep it
answer.
short and
I
sweet.
want you to answer in 2 sentences.
Anything I say more
And
than
then
2
anything
lines, you have
addressed
a
to me, I
problem.
want you to let me answer.
But I have too
Hold
many
on.
questions. Can I please
Yes,
ask?
please go ahead.
मैं भी बोलती हूँ
Yeah.
कुछ. दावा के साथ मैंने पहले भी काम किया है, and he is this foodie mad person. And जब आप shoot करते हैं, आपने खुद बोला है ये कि पता नहीं होता वो shoot क्या कर रहे हैं.
But can I answer this question?
हाँ.
So the ones which are appropriate, I'll take for me.
जी.
Because anyways, I think you're addressing most of them to him. I think you like him, no?
Oh, that he knows.
So Dada,
You can connect.
so Dada in between like setups, so
Yeah.
we'll do one sequence, then he'll say, okay, there's a quick setup, you have it in 20 minutes. I mean, you go to look for him. You'll see him behind the set or behind the stage in one corner with a pot this big,
Oh my god.
cooking food.
No
Yeah,
way.
yeah, he
मतलब
cooks.
ये image मेरा
Like,
साईं
Dada,
बाबा का
Dada,
है.
what are you doing? I'm making some mutton or something. Like Dada, we're scene. No, we'll get to it in a minute. He does these really unusual things, but I think that's what makes him really special.
He's a child. He's a child.
And he's also with everybody. You know, there's no like he'll talk to me the same way as he'll talk to the someone who's a light assistant, or to the Dada who's doing the stitching. Everyone's the same. Everyone stands together in the same place. Everyone's all the jokes are shared. You know, it's not just jokes with certain part of the crew. Everyone gets
You're not
the
making
jokes.
groups.
No.
Ah.
And that's what I think is Dada's most special quality.
And आपके लिए because it's a बच्चों वाली film, आपको लगा कि आपको ये produce करनी चाहिए?
नहीं, जब कहानी सुनी थी तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अच्छा ये ऐसी फिल्म बननी चाहिए. You know, I think जो इसकी कहानी थी, it really touched me. The way Dada was saying it, the way he was visualizing it, I was like, wow, you know, मैंने तो ऐसा कभी देखा नहीं है. अभी हालांकि 3 दिन पहले मैंने फिल्म देखी और मुझे अभी तक विश्वास नहीं हो रहा कि इस आदमी ने ये फिल्म बनाई कैसे. It's a very hard film to make. You know, visually it's a very hard film to make. Emotionally, it's a very hard film to make. Even these 3 years, you know, हमने तो और काम किया है. We've done other films, but he's been stuck on
You've
this.
done other films. I don't think I've done any other
You've not done
films.
Fitoor and Barbar, देखो? You've forgotten those films. चलिए तो भूल गई.
Cat, I want to know the answer to this one.
Dude, man, it's called a filter. You want to explain this to him? It's called a filter. You don't say the first thing that comes into
You
your
know
mind
that
on
before.
radio. I have no interest in that. I was giving it to her because I
Relax,
think she
take it
would
easy.
like it. You take it easy. Put a filter. You just
What's
told me my
it?
last
What's
2 films
wrong with you, Katrina? Let me finish my answers.
It's done.
It's not.
It's
Did I
done.
finish?
नहीं.
No, right? So,
Nam, can we have a timer?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Katrina, what is your problem? I'm promoting the film. This is my purpose out
I
here.
have a bell like that, so.
I can't do it. I won't be able to like talk about the film like this. Listen, I have to sell this film. I'm the producer of the film. Why are you being a
अब
blockage?
producer क्या करते हैं फिल्म के लिए? जल्दी बताइए इससे पहले.
प्रोड्यूसर एक्चुअली बहुत कुछ करता है, लेकिन मुझे एहसास हो गया कि मैं कभी प्रोड्यूसर बन नहीं सकता. दिस इज माय फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट फिल्म, क्योंकि इट्स नॉट कट आउट फॉर मी. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी बीइंग एन एक्टर. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी doing that as a job. See, the producer is a job. I think Katrina will be a damn good producer because of her mind and because of, you know, how she is in life. You know,
She multitasks.
She multitasks. She can make things happen. My basic character and personality is of a lazy person. So I don't think being a producer is cut out for me. But मैं सिर्फ इस बात पे खुश हूँ कि इस फिल्म में प्रोड्यूसर के टाइटल पे मेरा नाम जुड़ा है. But I don't think I'll be able to produce more films than this.
Listen, he's just made you a producer right now and saying that आप better हैं. ये कहाँ से आ रहे हैं?
अच्छा, मैं कुछ बोलूं? इजाजत है?
Okay.
Sorry, what was the question?
He just said कि आप better producer बनेंगे. You make things happen.
You just said मैं कुछ बोलूँ इजाजत है, then you ask me what is the question. If you will say that,
Because
मतलब you know that you know what the
I
question is.
was in complete and utter just silence and just complete dedication to what you were saying
Okay,
about the
go
film.
ahead.
I think I would make a good executive producer.
क्योंकि आप वहाँ पे सारी चीजें.
I'm not very good at taking decisions.
एक सेकंड,
I'm
एग्जीक्यूटिव
not,
प्रोड्यूसर का मतलब क्या है?
like a creative producer, like what?
जो सूट पहन के सेट पे आती है. Then?
No, like who can help them with things, like what Karishma did on Kabir's film. She's a
Like you're saying Karishma, like she's Karishma Kapoor or what on Kabir Khan.
yeah.
Which
Sorry,
Karishma are you
I
talking
don't
about?
know. There's a
Randomly you said Karishma. Who's
yeah,
Karishma?
you're nodding. You know what I mean? Like creative producer, no? You call it executive. The one who helps with creative calls.
छोड़
Like
दे.
for example,
Next question.
they'll decide they make
ये खो गई है.
suggestions.
ये अपने आंसर में खो गई है.
Okay, you know what? You just talk to yourself.
Yeah, see, this is
Talk to
how I
yourself.
feel when you are like
Talk to
also dissing
yourself.
my answers.
I didn't diss
I'm
one
just
of your
giving you a
answers.
taste of
You
your
was
medicine.
addressing answers to. I didn't say a word to you. He's taken a sensitive pill and come this morning.
Are you an animal lover and nature lover like you seem like you are?
No way.
Can she answer that?
Animals नहीं है.
I mean,
You're digging your own grave. Can I answer my own
Answer,
questions? Animal lover, I'm not it's not like the top of my list. Of course, I love animals, but I don't own pets. And
Yeah,
the reason for that being that I don't own dogs is because the lady who has lived with me for many, many years, she's not willing to take care of them. And you want to leave them at home and go for shoot and
Yeah, the
that-
baby is.
But I would love to. I would love to get a pet one day when I have a slightly bigger house. My house right now cannot really fit it inside, but hopefully soon. But nature, yes. Nature, yes. But I'm more of a sea and a beach person.
So which was there were so many locations. South
The
Africa, Morocco.
the most amazing location, without a shadow of a doubt, was where we shot the song, the Morocco song,
Uluka Bata.
Oluka Bata. It was just. It's actually where they shot a portion of Game of Thrones. and it's just a magical place. You have it's on the sea, and then you have this old architecture and this old structure, and you go into the old town, and they have the most amazing restaurants and the most amazing food, and there's just a vibe. It's like a different world. You know, you feel like you're in a different world going there.
But is it true that you actually begged the two of you? I mean, that did happen.
People didn't know us there, so when we was and Dada was like doing
People
guerrilla
did know you
style
out
shooting.
there. People were saying, Katrina Kaif.
Yeah, okay, but that was here, and then we'd go a little further. So in some portions, people didn't know us. There was on the outside they did, but on the inside they were okay. So Dada would do this guerrilla style shooting. So there wasn't a big setup. We would just run and come to that place and start dancing, like you see in the song. There's no backup dancers. We're not dressed glamorously, so people would just be looking by and thinking we must be busking. That's very common in Morocco. It is. You do see people more singing they do. But you do see people do that on the streets.
And how much money did you collect?
We didn't get any money. No one.
I think it's a production में चला गया.
But there's one sequence which I think you see. I don't know if it's in the promo, but you'll see in the movie. I'm wearing a red kind of check dress, and he's passing around the hat for money, and I'm doing a jump like this. My hands are out like this. That portion, some people thought we were actually busking, and then they're kind of
putting money for you.
For me, not for him.
Yeah, for her. I was the collector.
बचपन में जासूसी मुझे याद है मैंने अपने मॉम की कबर्ड में की थी पैसे लेती थी वेरी वियर्ड थिंग्स हैज टू गेट इनसाइड आई हैज टू बी लाइक वेरी एक्साइटेड आपने कहां जासूसी की बचपन में
बहुत किया एक्चुअली trying to like steal things from my mother. I remember जब स्कूल में मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड थी मैं अपने सिस्टर और मदर के कबर्ड से चीजें स्टील करता था तो मैं उसको गिफ्ट कर सकता था
टी-शर्ट वगैरह क्या
मतलब ज्वेलरी या कुछ भी मुझे पता नहीं था डायमंड है या नॉन डायमंड है मैं सिर्फ जाके चोरी करके गर्लफ्रेंड को दे गया मुझे याद है जब पापा सिगरेट पीते थे और मैं सिगरेट पीना मैंने शुरू किया बहुत गंदी हैबिट है आई एम ट्राइंग टू क्विट इट आई नो आई शुड स्टील सिगरेट्स फ्रॉम हिम यू नो कुछ तो पैसे होते नहीं थे एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंड इज माय मदर स्टार्टेड काउंटिंग हिज सिगरेट्स फिर उनको एहसास हुआ कि मैं एक्चुअली सिगरेट स्टील कर रहा हूं उनसे दैट्स हाउ आई गॉट कॉट सो या आई हैव डन ऑल दीस थिंग्स
कम ऑन Cancerian
voice modulation from me.
Can you teach?
What did you?
I can.
आपने कौन सी
I can.
चीज़
In
पे-
English I can.
Try.
In English I can. Okay. What are the things that I stole when I was a child? Well, because we grew up in.
So just told, like you know, you kind of went in and creeped in places. Where
Wait
you
for it. I've
Go
only
for
said
up and
one
down.
sentence.
Yeah.
Hold on. Because we grew up in a lot of places where there wasn't a lot of material things, so to speak, around. I had an obsession with marbles. I had a big obsession with marbles. I used to literally do anything to get marbles or to beg someone to go and get them for me. So that was my only. If I saw any marbles anywhere, I would just take them. But there wasn't lots of opportunities to steal things.
So you didn't creep into like wanting to know neighbor के घर पे कौन है क्या है
Neighbor ke ghar pe there was no nearby houses where we used to be, but there was not even any point. I have 6 sisters, and there was not even any point in going to steal from them because I knew they had nothing also.
Oh God.
There was nothing for anyone to steal in that sense.
Listen, talking about kids, we love Taimur. How you feel to be a mamu of that good-looking boy? I think टक्कर देने वो आ गया आपको अभी
बहुत
बच्चा.
थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा ही गुड लुकिंग है
इतना क्यूट है.
जब वो पैदा हुआ था जब यू नो मैंने उसको आई हैव सीन हिम ओनली व्हेन ही वाज लाइक अराउंड 3 months old उस टाइम इतना निखर नहीं था
So you're catching his pictures on the net, like
on the
we are.
net yeah so जब मैंने वो फोटो देखी I was like वो ये कौन है यार you know he's got the best of both his parents you know Saif and Kareena and now we just look forward to him coming to the movie soon
क्योंकि मैं zoo की बात I hate zoos because I feel like all the animals are captured there and you are in the best part of the universe जहाँ पे animals खुले में हैं. कोई ऐसा moment था actually आपने animals देखे क्योंकि हमको लगता है सब चीजें super impose की
नहीं हमने चीता के साथ शूट किया हमने हाइनास के साथ शूट किया हमने
We shot with lions, and I got a super bad allergy.
baby lions
You get when there's something on their skin that you get a super bad allergy. So Dada said, "Be careful, be careful." I said, "Nothing will happen." I got some big red allergy from the lions.
So there is a place in South Africa where, you know, with a lot of permissions because, you know, working with animals can be very harmful. So with all the right permissions taken, you have to go there. और एक छोटा सा farm house है और वो farm house में आप
It's a huge farmhouse with a whole old train. You know those old trains? What are they called? Locomotives.
उसके ऊपर आपको भागना
Steam
था.
engine, steam
Okay,
engine,
जासूस moment.
That was
जासूस.
that was the funnest part for me.
जासूस ने
That's
मुझे
steam
बोला
engine.
है कि आपको ट्रेन के ऊपर भागने से बहुत डर लग रहा था. Was that true?
Not upper. It was on the side. We're holding on to the side.
हाँ.
And I think honestly it was
और इसी-
a little while back.
और इसकी
let's put it
स्कर्ट
that
भी
way.
थोड़ी छोटी थी उस टाइम.
Huh, that was a problem.
that
Yeah,
was a bigger
that
problem.
was a bigger problem.
So then, what were the animals that you actually the ostrich bit? That's
Yeah, the ostriches, which I didn't like, but everyone was going and.
जब कटरीना बैठी ऑस्ट्रिच पे, वो ऑस्ट्रिच तो पागल हो गया कि मेरे ऊपर कटरीना क्या बैठ गई है. So he just went crazy. He was running left,
He
right,
had a little-
and Katrina
little
was
moment.
like
He
screaming
had a
her lungs
moment.
out.
Yeah. He had a.
Did you notice my modulation there? I upped it a bit.
No, what it is the bass is too low on the voice right now. We need to add some more top layers.
Treble.
Yeah.
and if there is a memorable moment, considering there's so many of them and you're watching it, this must be a mad ass film for you guys.
I can
to
tell you
do that.
one memorable moment from South Africa. To shoot in this farm with all the animals and with the steam engine, which Dada found from I don't know where, we had to stay in this really unfortunate hotel. Let's put it that way.
Okay.
And it was freezing cold.
No heater.
And no heat. It was miserable. There was no water. There was no hot water. There was no food, and there was nothing. Like we were in the middle of nowhere. So to pass the time, I want to say that we used to dance to pass the time, but actually it was more like I used to dance to make people happy.
Performer, entertaining.
if-
आपने extra पैसे दिए कि नहीं producer जी?
No.
Very few moments in her life she's done something for people and she's entertained them, and probably this was one and the only one.
Dude, but you are the biggest prankster. This
But
one,
what is with these? I can pile on the insults too.
One second, I'm the biggest.
you're the biggest prankster ever.
No.
Is it
They're not pranksters. They're not pranksters. You know what happened? I realized one day it was a eureka moment for me. He does all these little funny, something, some funny, those little tricks he does with his hand. Show her quickly.
ये रेडियो में दिखता है.
It's
नहीं,
okay.
but
There's video.
videos
also.
है.
Show.
I will
Knows
you
what.
finish your
No, so
answer.
fast so that she knows. ये
Can you do
वाला
this?
ऐसा कुछ.
Like,
See, okay.
can you do this?
What did you
Okay,
do?
so
Oh my god. That's
so we'll
it.
come to that after. So all these are the big pranks that he does. And then I
Can
was
you do
shooting
this?
for
Do
another
this.
film. Bus,
Do this with your
done.
Face
We're
your thumbs
done.
down and look. Just touch it. Touch your thumbs down. See your thumbs. And 1, 2, 3.
What is it?
So you get very impressed and you think big pranks and all that. And then I went on to another set where there was a 5-year-old kid. And
Doing
he
the
came up to me and said, Didi. I said, huh? And he said, look at this. And so was doing the same thing. So then I realized that no.
Because
Came
I
down
taught
a
the
bit.
kid.
Kid in your life. So this is his first film.
So do you think then he's the biggest child? That's great, isn't it?
I think every artist,
He should get
and
an award.
I'm taking the liberty of calling myself one. I think her artist, you included, we all have to have the child in us alive. Especially because we are in a field where we have to entertain people,
Yeah.
engage them in what we are doing. And I think अगर वो child मर जाता है आपके अंदर, then काम भी, you become too mature too soon.
Absolutely. There's no danger of that happening.
But recently उन्होंने बोला वो सुसु वाला, and I saw your reaction to that one. I saw you.
No, actually, Baba, kya tha na that press conference? It was just more like a.
She was not matching up
It
to
was
my
an
energy.
open. It was an open mic session with Ranbir, and I could see he was enjoying it so much. I thought, beach mein main kya bolu? Just sit quiet. He was, in New York, in stage comedians do, they stand with a mic and they
Yeah.
talk at the audience. So when he was talking at everyone, so I said, okay.
There was a toothbrush video that came out yesterday, and because I'm somebody who's going to the dentist.
Am I in that video?
No.
Am I in that video?
Dada's put it up with him. I think it's for the second song. So, and then I'm
Why
seeing
have
you.
I been cut out of that
And
video?
seeing you brushing somewhere else as well. So
I'm
now-
in the video, not brushing someone.
No,
No,
that
वो
video.
promo वाला है. वो
Oh.
promo में मैंने बहुत सारे बार देखा है.
I'm only interested why I'm not in that video.
आके why is she not in the video?
This is producers.
It's a different sequence, but she also has a
Did you
brushing
notice
moment
one
as
thing that for our first song, Uluka Patta, which is both of us dancing
well. So Luka
together.
Patha,
Uluka Patta,
correct.
which is what I said, but you just have something funny in your
Sing it,
ears, so
sing
you're
it.
not ever. I can sing the whole song.
Sing.
I can sing all 25 songs
Sing,
in the movie.
sing,
You'll
sing,
feel
sing.
bad.
Can you?
I'll
Katrina,
overshine
we've
you,
never
and you'll
had
feel
you-
it, you'll feel it.
No, we've
Insecure.
never had you singing in a radio
Come on,
station.
come
Two
on.
lines.
Come on.
You said all songs.
Come on, cat.
Come on.
Lost it.
Sorry,
Lord.
Katrina.
Wait, first let me finish my story. It was a very interesting
It was a
story.
boring
in my
story
head.
just saying, yeah.
No, what was I saying though?
Brushing.
Yeah,
No,
it's
no,
a-
I was saying the song.
Yeah.
It just came on TV, but for his own solo song, which is Galti Se Mistake, we had itna bada press conference, everything is all kept nicely. That's, I guess, the benefit of being a producer, no?
आरके
Mhm.
धक्का लगा दिल को.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
Joker.
I think, like I said, मैंने ये film बनाई है only because of Katrina. I think she deserves a film which, she will outshined everything. And I think in this film she's outshined everything.
Okay, RK. So here's your first cryptic clue because I don't see you guys doing any dialogues except for that chapstick thing.
Give us some clues. and
So
stuff.
RK, आपको ये एक कटरीना की फिल्म है जो आपको एक्शन से उसको
I
दिखाना
love
है.
games. There's nothing more I love than these like kind of games.
Okay, this is very. See, listen.
Ah, yeah, yeah, okay.
मैं game में